So, good morning, all. In last lecture, we have seen about the various deletion operations of linked list. Can you explain me what we have done in the last lecture? Which specific deletion operations we have done in the last lecture?
So we perform deletion from initial position and
and
from the last
random
position.
position.
Initial node and last node. Random position का आपने you didn't taught random position.
First, we have done with the initial node deletion, and then
Last node.
Last node.
last last node deletion. So, two deletion we have seen. That is first node deletion and the last node deletion. Now we are going to have the deletion
Starting and
of
ending.
no. We have seen the deletion of first node. We have also seen the deletion of the last node. Now we are going to delete the node in between the linked list at any random position,
Yes.
like we have seen in the case of the insertion. If it is visible,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay. So now we have seen this of first node and first last node. Now we are going to clear that. Can anybody tell me what could be the logic of that? How we can delete the node at the front position and at the last, sorry, at any random position?
Sir, we have to make another pointer to store the value of that at that node which we have to delete.
Suppose that is the same example I am having with me. I have three nodes 10, 20, 30. Now I want to delete the node that is at. Now let me take the another example today, okay? Because I have only three nodes in that. So I need to include more nodes. So let me take more examples in that. Now how many nodes are there in this?
4.
There are four nodes,
Four nodes.
and we
Four.
need to delete when we need to delete a node at random. Okay. Now tell me, ask me any like anybody can ask me the question like which node do you want to delete?
25.
You tell
25.
me. You just tell me
25.
which node to delete. Okay. Let us see how the 24 this particular node will be deleted. Okay. So this is our linked list. Now let me start the pointer also. So have you any idea? Now जिस जिन्होंने पूछा उनके अलावा Ajay and Barashkishore have asked, now anyone else who has an idea about like how we can delete the node 25, what we need to do in the case of deletion of 25 node?
So we will traverse till 20
Very good. We will traverse till 20. Then
and then
Sir,
we
then
will
we are
delete
going.
PTR next.
no, Ajay, you are not supposed to ask. Okay, this is PTR. Okay, this is PTR.
Yes,
We are traversed through 20, and the PTR is now pointing to 20 node. Okay. Now what? Now what we need to do?
We will, sir, we will free the PTR next. No, sir, we will means break the link and we create the new link to the PTR next to next.
Which nodes we need to delete? This 25 nodes we need to delete. Okay, that node we have to delete. So what we will do? What step is there now? Tell me the actual step for that.
So first of all, I guess we
Sir,
have to
we
install.
Yes, yes. Carry on.
Sir, we have to first of all store the pointer of the 25, so that after the
Yes.
removal of that we can assign that to PTR next of 20.
Good. Then
Then, sir, we
that's
will
it.
link. Yes, sir. Then we will free. No, then we will link
Ultimately, okay. Anshul, what do you want to say in that? Anybody else?
Sir, I will say,
is
sir, that sir, we will
yes,
take
yes,
a
yes. Sorry.
pointer.
Okay,
Sir, firstly, we will traverse till 20 node.
then it is okay. We have done. We have traveled at 20, and PTR is pointing to 20 now.
Yes, sir. Then, sir, we will take a pointer named as next node. I have named.
Next node.
Yes, sir. In which
Next
we will
means
store in which we will store PTR of next.
okay. PTR next we
Yes,
are
sir.
storing it. Then what?
Then, sir, the value of next node to next will be stored in PTR.
Value of next node to next. Okay, just tell me the statement now. Now logic clear. Now anything anybody else? अब दो जनों ने बोल दिया है. Anshul and I think Aman has discussed. Now anybody else? Now the statement is there. Statement should be there. I need an actual statement or instruction that we need to write into the C program. That statement we require now. Okay. Hemant, are you there? Chanchal is there. Cheshta is there. Anyone else is there? Am I audible or not? Nobody is responding.
Yes, sir, audible.
So I need to come out of that screen now, and I need to see who is there or not. Is anybody like explain it? I need just a statement of that. Darshita, Daksh, Trancha,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chirag. So now, Darshita, tell me what could be the statement for that?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what will be the statement for that. I need to delete that node 25. What will be the statement for that? What pointer will be changed? Two students have discussed the logic. आपने सुना होगा logic क्या था? Now you need to tell the statement. आप पढ़ रहे हो या नहीं पढ़ रहे हो? दर्शिता रिस्पॉन्ड मी बेटा, आप कुछ बोलो तो सही. Yes or no at least. Darshita, I am going to remove you now. Okay, beta?
No, sir. Network issue.
No, I know that network issue is there. You just keep like your network with you. Don't worry. Yes, anybody else?
Sir, first of all, PTR will be where we assign it to start. PTR equals to start.
Who is there?
Sir, Aman.
Aman Kothari. I think Aman, you have already discussed now. Let someone else try it.
Okay, sir, sure.
We have discussed the logic, I think. Hannah, let other persons also come out on the class. Abhishek Singh. If nobody is responding, I will remove them from the class. I don't know like why you are sitting in this class right now. Automatically remove. Okay, very good. Thank you very much. I don't require the persons who are not there actually to learn just for the attendance. Attendance I will mark already. Okay, attendance में mark कर दूंगा automatically. Don't worry. सबकी present mark कर दूंगा मैं. कोई class attend करने की जरूरत नहीं है unnecessarily. Alankrita,
Hello, hello, hello.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Disconnected.
Abhishek, tell me what will be the step?
What, sir?
I have asked this question, beta. I almost around 5 times. आप यदि यहाँ थे तो you should know the question was that. If still you are asking, then you need not to answer the question. Okay. Thank you very much. Aditya Gautam is there. Aditya Gautam is there. I think my screen is visible to all now, and I am going to remove parallelly. आप लोगों को दिख रहा होगा, I am removing it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. So Amit Kumar Joshi is there. Amit Joshi is there. Aman Parik is there. Aman Parik, okay, no issues, no issues. Sorry. Anupreksha Jain. Anupreksha is there. अनुप्रेक्षा आप अपना जब वाइवा होगा बेटा ना 2 हफ्ते बाद, तब भी आप म्यूट मोड में रहना, एंड यू जस्ट आंसर्स थ्रू चैट विंडो ओनली. इज इट ओके? It is almost around 4 months we are conducting the online classes, and still you are in the mute mode. You will get the attendance. Thank you very much. RM Vikram is there. RM Vikram,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me the answer? RM, can you tell me the answer? Brajesh Keshwani. Brajesh Keshwani, are you listening me? You need to on your mic beta. Are you opening your mic? Unmuting yourself or not? बहुत सारे बच्चे निकल के जा रहे हैं, आप लोग देख रहे हैं ना? Good. Automatically he has left the meeting. Only 37 students are there right now. Harsh Bansal, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Just can you answer the question now?
Yes.
Please give
Sir,
us the statement here. Yeah. Harsh, please give us the statement that we need to
Yes.
write. Single instruction that we need to write to change the address of the node 20.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. बेटा कोई बात नहीं, आप you should try just. गलत होगा, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. गलत होगा, पहली बार में मुझसे बहुत गलत होते थे.
25 को डिलीट करना है ना सर. सर वी कैन असाइन द नेक्स्ट 30 का एड्रेस सर हम 20 वाले नेक्स्ट डाटा में स्टोर करा सकते हैं, नेक्स्ट पॉइंटर में स्टोर करा सकते हैं pts इक्वल टू नेक्स्ट 30 में. और फिर वो सर उसका जो 30 वे जो एड्रेस है वो जो 25 के पास, सॉरी सर, जो 25 में नेक्स्ट वाले नोड का जो एड्रेस है वो रिमूव कर देंगे ना, उससे सर 25 पर आ गया.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, there was a network issue of that.
Yes, sir.
I am going to share my screen again. PPT is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, I have changed the system to actually. That's why I need to make it again. Okay, now tell me, Harsh is there or not?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, Harsh, what we will do, beta?
Sir. Which element remains, sir? 40.
We need to delete 40, okay? And what pointer will get changed?
What pointer, sir? We will 20 is सेकंड नोट थर्ड नोट का सर पॉइंटर चेंज करेंगे ना उसमें 30 वाले नोट का एड्रेस सेव होगा.
Very good. So this pointer will hold the address of this node. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Like you just need to see the logic first, okay? Then just try to make the statement. So is it clear to all now? 20, the node which holds the 20 right now will hold the address of 30 now instead of 40. That is one change I need to do. That's it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All agreed or not upon this?
Yes, sir.
So PTR right now, suppose where we were traverse the node till 20, and the PTR is pointing to right now the node which contains the 20 right now. So now what statement we will write over there? Which pointer we need to change first of all?
PTR next.
20.
PTR next.
Yeah,
Good.
next.
Now just use the terms. Okay, PTR next. Now it will be PTR next is equals to what? What address it will hold? Right now, suppose
New
it is
next.
200. New, there is no new actually.
So
Right now we are
200
not.
next.
This is 200, 300. Right now it contains 200. Now it will be 300. So now this 300 is stored in where? Where it stores actually?
200 के next में.
200 के next में है ना? Now 200 के next में बोल नहीं सकते. So how which pointers or which nomenclature you will use to point the not 40?
So
How
we
you
have to
can
make
access?
another pointer.
What is the need of another pointer?
We will take
Sir,
another point.
PTR next.
Okay, let Ajay is saying we will make the another pointer. So what let us say that pointer is PTR1. You are saying this one.
Yes, sir.
That is the one way. That is the one way to do this. So what you will write now? PTR
One next.
One next.
One next.
Good. That is the one way of doing this. That is the one way. And now free.
PTR1.
PTR1.
हाँ, आप हमको किसको फ्री करना है? PTR किसको डिलीट करने वाले हम लोग? PTR1 को. These two statements are there actually. Or ultimately you just see this, there is a single statement that we need to use to delete the node 40. Yes or no? Single statement is there which is required to delete the node. क्या ये बहुत बड़ा इशू है? क्या हम सारी क्लास समझ नहीं पा रही है इसको? But in that case, one problem is there. We are maintaining two pointers, PTR and PTR1. Okay, so it is occupying double space, more space. Virtually, eventually, I should say more space. Okay, that can be done only with a single pointer also. So anybody can tell me how it can be done with the help of single pointer. Single pointer से कैसे कर सकते हैं हम लोग? Like right now, I am having only a single pointer that is pointing to 20 node. That is PTR. So PTR next I need to change. What it will be? This node is if it is PTR, then this node is what? 40 node is
PTR next.
PTR next.
PTR next.
PTR next.
PTR
Good.
next
This
of
node is P. हाँ. This node is a PTR next. और इसका next pointer access करना है तो क्या करना होगा मुझे?
Arrow operator
P-
next.
Very good.
हाँ.
Another
PTR
operator we
PTR
can
next.
take. PTR
PTR next of next.
next of next. That's it. This can be done with the help of single pointer also. And then again,
रुको सर पीटीआर नेक्स्ट को पॉइंट कर रहा है, नेक्स्ट फिर से पीटीआर को
फ्री किसको करेंगे हम लोग?
PTR
पीटीआर
next.
पीटीआर को करेंगे, पीटीआर नेक्स्ट को करेंगे?
PTR next.
पीटीआर नेक्स्ट को करेंगे सर.
हाँ, anybody has any doubt in this right now? If PTR next is equals to PTR next to next.
पीटीआर नेक्स्ट
सर यहाँ पर नीचे फ्री पीटीआर नेक्स्ट है, वो सर 40 का एड्रेस होल्ड करके बैठा है.
PTR next is holding the address of 40.
40
यस
200
ओके.
तो मतलब आप 200 को फ्री कर रहे हो. That is what you need to do. Is it clear to all? Okay, some doubts should be there in your minds. Let me clear one more time. So let us take now the color we are changing. Suppose this is my P node. Okay. Now this node can be referred through
P arrow next.
P next. Yes or no? Is
Yes,
it clear
sir.
to all? Like P is a pointer
Yes, sir.
variable which holds the address of any node. Okay. So right now, if P is pointing to 10, so it is holding the address of node 10. Okay. And now PTR next 20. 20 is another node which is pointed by the PTR next because it holds the address of pointer this. Okay. Now this, with the help of only P, this node can be represented by, tell me.
P next.
P next next.
P next,
next equals to next.
not equals to P arrow,
Arrow
next
next.
arrow next. Arrow operator we need to use in that case. P arrow next, then arrow, then next. And again in this same way, 30 can be represented by
P arrow next
P
arrow
next
next arrow next.
P arrow next, then next,
3 times.
then again next. So in this way, we can use the single pointer to access the every node. Both are correct. Both ways are correct actually. Okay. If you will see, this particular first way is also correct, and second one is also correct. In that we are using 2 pointers. In that second one we are using the single pointer. So obviously, which one is optimum? With this second one is optimum. In this we are using only the 1 pointer. We are declaring only 1 pointer in that case.
सर मुझे तो सर फर्स्ट वाला तो समझ में आ गया, फर्स्ट तो समझ में आ गया सर. फर्स्ट जो आपने बनाया कोड वो तो समझ में आ गया, सेकंड वाला
सेकंड वाले में क्या इशू है बच्चे बताओ? मैंने अभी पूरा बताया ना ऊपर तक. P if first node is P, then second node is P next, third one is P next to next to next, and so on. So this node is pointed by PTR next to next. That's it.
अच्छा हाँ आ गया.
इसको इस तरीके से देखिए आप. PTR next. Okay. What is PTR next? PTR next holding the address of what? 200.
200
200. And 200 का next क्या है? 300.
200 का नेक्स्ट 300.
So 300. Like PTR next में what we need to put? 300. That is okay.
ओके सर आ गया.
So this is just like the plus equals operator type.
Plus equals to operator type, it means. So
Means that
PTR
means
PTR next equals to PTR next का next. ऐसा बोल रहा है?
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
You can think so, like it is exactly not, but you can like think over that. No issue. So logic is clear or not? First of all, we have done with the 2 ways. One is through 1 pointer and one is through 2 pointers.
यस सर हो गया लॉजिक क्लियर.
So now I need to. I am keeping that particular things with the PPT. Okay, and I am writing the code along with now. So कोड लिखना है हमें. Can we write the code also? Can we write the code also?
यस सर, हेल्प कर सकते हैं
Yes,
सर.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So we will write the code of both. Both will be easily using one pointer, using two pointers. दोनों तरीके से कोड लिखेंगे हम लोग. Okay. So first of all, tell me. Traversing code. Who is going to discuss the code for traversal?
Start equals to PTR.
Okay. Start is equals to PTR. Is it okay?
PTR equals to
Sir,
start.
PTR equals to start.
PTR equals to start.
PTR equals to start.
मैंने पहले भी बताया था कि we need to care very careful about that. What we should write. Order.
सर वो
of-
क्या, सर वो भूल जाता हूँ ना सर, वो आपने नोट्स नहीं, तो जिससे कुछ कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है सर.
नोट शेयर नहीं किए इसलिए कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है. नोट शेयर
नहीं
नहीं
सर.
सर है. मतलब मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ, समझ में नहीं आ रहा आपको.
हाँ सर, समझ में तो आ रहा है, लेकिन वो रिवाइज तो बार बार करना पड़ता है कि जिससे कंफ्यूजन ना हो, उसके लिए सर.
लाइक मोस्ट प्रोबेबली टुडे मैं बाकी 2-3 लेक्चर जो रह गए हैं वो आज मैं शेयर कर दूंगा पूरा. Struct node PTR. Okay. So that is what we have declared now. Now tell me what we need to move till particular. अब आपने पोजीशन के अकॉर्डिंग बताया था और वैल्यू के अकॉर्डिंग बताया था. You need to write accordingly.
Position.
Position. So you,
पोजीशन के अकॉर्डिंग.
so
We are going to define a variable position and ask from the user what position he wants to do.
yes. Then for I equals to, tell me what?
1.
1,
I equals to
2.
Position lower than
I
position.
equals to position minus
Position
I less than
minus
position
1.
minus
Yeah,
1.
position minus 1.
position minus 1. Then PTR is
PTR equals to PTR
To
next.
PTR next.
PTR equals to PTR next.
okay. In this way,
Then
like
I
suppose
plus
third node you need to delete, and now you have to you have reached to 20. Yes or no?
PTR, yes.
So we have to increment I also.
Next.
Sir, I plus plus.
हाँ तो मैंने तो but I have written over there for I equals to 1, 2, I equals to position minus 1. 2 लिखना
Okay, sir.
है.
Okay.
You need to write on your own now. So for loop we have done with I equals to I equals to 1 to position minus 1. Next what?
free PTR.
Free PTR.
No, sir, we need to store the
no.
value, na, which we need to delete.
Obviously, free will always be at the end. That you should keep in your mind. Free हमेशा लास्ट में करें आप लोग. Okay? Free तो आप बिल्कुल लास्ट स्टेटमेंट लिखेंगे तो भी चलेगा. It will work also. Because free is there only to free the memory. It is not the logical part of your program actually. If you will not free the memory, then it will also work. It is not the part of your algorithm. Okay? Now tell me what.
PTR equals.
Sir, we are doing this by
Position
2 pointers or 1 pointer.
Single pointer right now. I am using single pointer. What we need to do?
Sir, PTR next is equals to PTR next ka next.
PTR next.
equals to PTR next का next points to next.
It's okay.
Okay, sir.
Done. And then free
PTR.
PTR next.
Free PTR next.
PTR next. Not PTR. PTR थोड़ी free करना है. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Done. Now with 2 pointers. PTR comma PTR1. We have declared 2 pointers. Now what? Tell me what we need to do.
Sir, we have to make another pointer you have made,
PTR1 is
and
equals to
PTR.
Initiation of PTR1 will be initiated with.
start.
Okay, both will be initiated with the star.
Yes.
Okay, then how you will make the loop for I equals to 1, I equals to position, PTR equals to PTR next. Now what about PTR1?
Sir, or after the traversing, we can assign the value PTR equals to PTR. PTR1 equals to PTR.
PTR1 equals to PTR. यहाँ पर second line in for loop.
No, sir. After the loop.
After the loop, it means the after like coming out of the loop.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so coming out of the loop, हम ये करेंगे कि PTR1 is equals to
PTR next.
PTR.
PTR का next.
PTR next. PTR
Next.
next.
PTR next.
PTR
Next.
next. Okay, is it okay? So what is the need of initiating of that PTR1? There is no
So
need.
how one will traverse?
No need,
We
sir,
will
no need.
initiate with that.
So PTR equals to start. For PTR we have moved on and PTR reaches to 20. And after that what we are doing? PTR1 initiating. PTR1 will be PTR of next. Then what? Then
Free.
what?
Free.
Then
Free.
PTR equals to PTR one of
PTR.
next.
Yes, sir.
PTR equals to
PTR?
PTR one of next. Equals to PTR of one of next.
PTR next equals to PTR1 next.
Yes, PTR next is equals to PTR1 next. And PTR
PTR
free,
next.
free
PTR1.
PTR.
Free PTR1.
Is it okay? Yes or no?
सर PTR और PTR1 दोनों एक दूसरे को ट्रैवर्स करना है क्या?
Only PTR is traversing in that case. PTR is traversing and it reaches to 20. Okay. Then after the PTR reaches in 20, so I am initiating the pointer PTR1 with PTR next. So PTR1 automatically points to 40 now with this statement, highlighted or selected statement. Okay. Then PTR next, it means next of 20 is equals to PTR1 next of 40. तो PTR like 20 का जो next part है उसमें 40 का next part आ गया automatically.
आ गया.
And free PTR कर देंगे.
PTR. हाँ.
Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is the first case using one
Pointer.
Okay, this is the second case using two pointers, and this is again a second case. One more thing I want to discuss. Another way also there. Using two pointers actually. Then let me show this. It will also work or not? See the code just. You just see the code. I am decorating the slides. You just see the code and try to find out whether it will work or not. Yes or no? Just respond me.
Yes,
fast.
sir.
Using two pointer.
That is one again. This is also using two pointer. Okay. And again, this is using two pointer. What I am doing is that let me clear one thing. I am initiating PTR with start, and I am initiating the PTR also with start next. So initially what happens? Initially क्या होने वाला है बताइए? PTR is at what point?
So
PTR is
is
at
at
10 and
the 10th
PTR1
node
is at
and
20.
PTR1 is the 20th node.
Very good. तो PTR तो कहाँ हो गया अपने पास 10 पर. Okay, now
10 पर
PTR1 is start of next. So PTR1 कहाँ चला
20
गया?
20
20 पे आ गया automatically. Okay, तो PTR1 जो initiate 20 से हुआ है. And then in for loop, what I am going to do is I am like both the pointers will be moved simultaneously. So if PTR is pointing to 20 now, and like in next step PTR is at that, and PTR1 is shifted to that node, and then the loop stops, and the remaining two steps are as it is. No issue in that. Is it okay?
Yes,
ओके
sir.
सर
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सर मुझे तो ये बढ़िया लगा 1 पॉइंट यूजिंग 1 पॉइंटर का 2 पॉइंटर से करके देखूंगा, लेकिन ये काफी मुझे इजी लगा.
That is okay, but this is up to you which you are like feeling good or not. But it is not up to you to write the answer accordingly. Like answer, if in question it has been asked, you write the code for using 2 pointers, then you need to do this. If the questioner or the like you can say examiner asks you using 1 pointer only, then we need to do this accordingly. So it is not our choice actually. जब पूछा गया वैसे बताना पड़ेगा. You should know both. Is it okay? Similarly, we can do it for the random value. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
Value wise can हम?
Yes, sir.
Value wise can we do this?
Yes, sir. We can do that.
So I am leaving that particular part, or and I am supposing that you will do on your own. Can I or not?
सर खुद से करेंगे पहले.
Like position wise we have done, and like I think in the last section class we have seen by the value also. Value se we have to write the code or not? Yes, that is what there insertion at the random by value. So that particular thing you need to change over there. That's it. Nothing else will change. Condition will change only. Instead of for loop, we will use the while loop, in which we will mention the specific condition or matching the information part. So you should do it on your own. Okay?
यस सर, और खुद से करेंगे सर. देखें तो सही कहाँ पर गड़बड़ आ रही है.
So this is the deletion of the node at random by position, and by value you will do it. So deletion is also done on the single linked list. Now we will move on to the next type of the linked list, that is circular linked list. Before that, doubly linked list. Sorry, before that, doubly linked list. Okay, so what is the drawback you can see in this single linked list?
Unidirectional.
That I have already discussed. Okay, so singly linked list is unidirectional right now. Suppose right now we have 1000 element in our linked list, and we are trying to discuss the singly linked list only, and 1000 elements we are going to store. So if I want to access 900 element, then what we need to start from the first node, and only traversing the whole 899 nodes, it is possible to reach at the 900 nodes. So मुझे 900 नोड को ट्रैवर्स करने के लिए उससे पहले 899 नोड्स को ट्रैवर्स करना पड़ेगा. That is a very big drawback of our single linked list. Second one is, suppose I am at the node 40 in this my example particularly, I can move only onto the 30. I cannot move backward direction onto the node 20. Okay, so once I have moved on, then I like suppose in like middle way I need to traverse back, suppose. So it is not possible to traverse back into the single linked list, because it is a unidirectional linked list. So because of these major drawbacks, we will have another kind of a linked list, that is doubly linked list, in which we will be able to traverse in both the directions, from left to right or right to left. I can move on to the next node. I can also move on to the previous node. For that, what we need to have extra in this? Can anybody suggest me?
One more pointer.
2 pointers.
2 pointers we
One in
require.
backward direction.
Okay. Likewise, note like to start pointer, right now I'm not asking about. I'm asking about the way you can move to the previous node. Like right now I am at 40. So with the help of next pointer, I can move on to the 30. And similarly, I should have a one pointer that moves me or that takes me to the 20 node. And that can be done with the another with the help of the another pointer, which we will have in the doubly linked list. That is previous pointer. So every node will contain now 2 pointers and plus 1 value. So instead of only having 1 pointer, we will have 2 pointers in the doubly linked list. Next pointer and the previous pointer. The next pointer definitely points to the next node, and the previous pointer we will use which points to the node previous to the node number that on which we are having it. Like in this case 40, so we can move to the 20 also. The doubly linked list we will have in the next lecture. Okay. Till then, you can write like in the last lab what we have done. Can anybody give me the idea?
Sir, insertion and traversal.
Insertion and traversal of linked list. So have you done that particular code? Like I think कि मैंने उसको assignment की तरह throw नहीं किया था actually. So I don't think कि आप लोगों ने किया है नहीं किया मुझे नहीं पता. Today I am going to throw like the same as an assignment also. So you just need to complete that thing. Okay. Now let me take the attendance once. Till then, any doubt if you have? बाकी सब लोग भी ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं 47 जिनको मैंने आज आउट किया था.
सर काफी बच्चे नहीं हो पा रहे सर.
47 students are there in this class.
सर एक बच्चा है दर्शिता